Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to contact Hotmail, step by step, quickly and easily. If you've ever had issues with your Hotmail account or need help from Microsoft, this guide will make the process simple and you can do it in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Microsoft Support Contact ES page. This is the fastest way to reach the official Microsoft support page where you can get help for any Hotmail related issue. Press enter, and in the search results, look for the link that says Contact Microsoft Support. It's usually one of the top results. Click it, and you'll be taken straight to their support site. Once you're on the Microsoft support page, you'll see a variety of products listed. Since Hotmail is part of Microsoft's suite of products, select the relevant option. Choosing the right product ensures Microsoft directs you to the most accurate help for your specific issue. Next, click Get Home Support. This will guide you to the proper support path for personal accounts, covering anything from account problems to technical glitches. Then, clearly describe your issue in the space provided. Be specific. This helps the support team understand your problem and give you the best solution. After submitting your concern, you might get instructions to fix the issue yourself, or you may have the option to connect with a live support agent for further help, and that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to get the support you need from Microsoft for your Hotmail account quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helps you resolve any Hotmail issues smoothly. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.